smiling.
It's a bit hot for him. I think he's panting. That's all.
There now.
The bowels of the arena. Thanks, mate. Continuing my journey. Here's a beautiful place. And here's a beautiful sound check for us to do. Do our stuff. Just a little reminder of where we are. There's the arena. Beautiful, beautiful. Who would have thought we could do stuff like this? And here is our stage. An amazing edifice in itself. There we go. There's some adventure to go on stage. Oh no, it's not Friday.
Friday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hello.
I'm sure I've seen it, but it's been so long that it's not paid, so he goes after one of these. So.
We are Chlorate.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh, now allergies. Good. Let's add something else to the list.
Hey!
Hey!
Let's see what I see. Sorry, I'm making you crouch. Here we are, set for the first night of the European tour in Berlin. This is what the stage looks like when you've got no light on it. It's a beautiful place. It's just beautiful. And tonight we have seated audience on the floor, which is very rare for us. Our promoter here, the famous, legendary Marek Lieberberg, told us this is the way we have to do it here. So we shall see how that works out. There we go.